In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to feather selections in Photoshop for smooth blended edges. Feathering is a simple, powerful way to soften the edges of a selection so your edits, colors, or masks fade naturally into the surrounding pixels instead of looking cut out or harsh. Start by making a selection with any selection tool that fits your subject. The marquee tools are great for clean rectangles and ellipses, while the lasso tools let you trace irregular shapes by hand. Use whatever makes sense for the object you want to isolate. The key here is just to get a selection in place. It doesn't need to be perfect because feathering will help the edges feel more natural. With your selection active, head up to the Select menu, choose Modify, and then click Feather. This command tells Photoshop to gradually blend the edge of your selection across a set number of pixels. Think of it as adding a soft transition zone between the selected area and the background. When the dialog opens, you won't see anything change on the canvas yet. That's expected. Enter a feather radius value. Higher numbers mean softer, wider edges. Lower numbers keep the edge tighter. Because feather is measured in pixels, what counts as high depends on your document's resolution. On small web images, a radius of 2 to 10 pixels might be enough. On larger high-resolution photos, you might use 20, 40, or even more. If you're unsure, start conservatively. You can always undo and try a different value to match your image. Now apply your edit. You can fill the selection with a color, paint inside it, or create a layer mask to hide or reveal pixels. As you do, you'll see the edge blend smoothly into the background without a hard line. Using a mask is a great non-destructive option because it lets you refine the result later, but the same feathered edge applies to fills and color adjustments too. If the transition looks too soft and washed out, undo and try a smaller radius. If it still looks crisp or cut out, go a bit higher. To recap the flow, make your selection with the tool that suits your shape. Go to Select, Modify, Feather, set a radius that matches your image size, and then apply your fill, color, or mask. With that simple sequence, your edits will look cleaner, more natural, and more professional. Practice on a few images to get a